Hi, love. First time ko aminin sa'yo na crush kita. Truth is, kaya kahit hindi ako nag-aalok ng Fos Coffee, napaalok ako bigla sa'yo.
So,
Ikaw lang ang nag-iisang inalok ko.
The trail that I walked so long. Can't lose my feet in dust.
Ewan ko, parang every time na magkasama kami, laging special eh. Laging bago ng bago. Kaya laging parang masasabi ko na araw-araw parang dumadagdag yung pagmamahal ko sa kanya.
Held in the mountain's arms.
I vow to be your best friend. I vow to be your faithful wife, and I promise to love you for you who you are and who you are yet to become.
Kaya lang ewan ko ba't ganito yung nararamdaman pala kapag kinakasal, no? Hindi mo malaman kung ano yung magiging reaksyon ng katawan mo, ng isipan mo. Hindi ko mapakali, parang ganun. Excited ka na, kinakabahan na, super saya.
The trail that I walked so long. Tall, quiet dreams so lush. Held in the mountain's arms.
You are my life and you have my time. Surely you are my lifetime love. Love, June.
The sky, hold back the tides
Finally, eto na tayo. Sobrang thankful ako kay God na ikaw ang binigay sa akin. Kasi siguro nga nakasulat sa libro ni God, ikaw yung may kayang kumontrol ng taray ko. Kidding aside, simula ngayon, naharapin na natin lahat ng magkasama at tutuparin natin lahat ng mga pangarap natin ng magkasama.
You're my God's precious gift, and gaya ng lagi ko sinasabi, I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. Sobrang binago mo yung buhay ko. Thank you for bringing out the best version of myself.
So let the world grow cold. Hear me now and know the truth.
Timex to ba?
Hear the
Wall clock? Uy! Uy! Dun, 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 dun. Wow!
It's always you.
To my matalino, madiskarte, masipag at higit sa lahat magwapo. Labi, aminin din ako. Nakasulat yan. All this time, alam mo, hindi kita kilala before tayo mag-meet. Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin noon, sayang di mo naabutan yung panahon ko nung magaling pa ako mag-basketball. Pero the truth is, napapanood na kita maglaro kaya naging crush din kita.
It's always you. It's always you.
Binago niya yung buhay ko. Parang lalo akong nagsipag sa buhay. Mas nagkaroon ako ng tiwala sa sarili ko. Ayun, siya yung nag-groom sa akin kung ano ako ngayon. And nakita ko kung paano niya ako respetuhin. So talagang minahal ko siya ng sobra.
It's always you. It's always
Sa aking magiging asawa, soon to be Mrs. Ponce, here's my gift. Pagpasensyahan mo muna yung paper bag na muna as your wish.
You are my love, my friend, and everything. With you, I have found my home. And I vow to nurture that home with kindness, laughter, and unwavering devotion for all the days of our lives. I love you dearly, Amy Katrina Yandok Ponce. Love, huwag ka iiyak ha. Deserve mo to para lagi tayo may time sa isa't isa. I love you. Wow. Thank you, love. Start na to ng journey natin as mag-asawa. So pinapangako ko naman sa'yo na yung time ko din, ibibigay ko sa'yo buong buhay ko. I love you.
We all long to be. Why it's so hard to sleep? The heart it becomes fire, the soul it becomes the sea. When we are known.
Through all seasons, in moments of joy and times of challenge, I choose you. I choose you today, tomorrow, and every day after.